Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about another traffic exchange site that I've been using for the past week, less than a week actually. And the site is called Traffic Splash. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. With that said, let's jump into my account. The registration part is quite simple. You just enter the required details, choose a username, a password, verify with your email, and you're good to go. And the dashboard of your account should probably look the same as mine. Here, like I said, I've been using this site for less than a week, maybe 6 days or five days, something like that. So just a quick reminder what I'm doing here if you're new to my channel. So recently I created accounts to a lot of traffic exchange sites to test them. I'm promoting only a couple of links in all of those sites, and I've already made some review videos giving my opinion and how the site works. And so Traffic Splash is the next video of that playlist. And by the way, I'm gonna leave the playlist containing all the video for traffic exchange, also one video for a software I'm using. So the link of that playlist will be in the description of this video. So you can check out also other traffic exchange sites that I use, and maybe you can create an account on them if you find them convenient. Alright, so without further ado, the moment you sign up, like I said, this is the dashboard. This would be the dashboard of your account. So basically it's the same as every other traffic exchange site. So the reason why I'll be doing these videos, it's not to show you how they work, because if you already use a traffic exchange site, then you probably know how to navigate on others. The reason why I'm doing these videos is because I want to test this site. I'm going to show also in the video some results, periodically maybe, and after I've tested them long enough, I will record and upload other videos comparing the results. Okay, so basically when you create your account, of course you have to enter your first site here. Just go to my ads, and here you enter the targeted URL, just a title, attractive one, and then you click add. Depending on how many credits you have, you can assign to your site. Simple as that. The same goes for banners. Okay, instead of a title, you should put here the URL of your banner picture image. All right, the image URL. Just go to the banner, click with the right button of the mouse and click copy image address, and will look just like this. Okay, simple as that. The same goes also for text ads. Here your ad will contain only text and your targeted URL, which you should put it here. Here you just enter a text just like this. Click add, will look exactly just like this, and here you can assign impressions or credits. And for one credit assigned, you will receive 25 impressions for your text ad. Okay. Also, Traffic Splash has a rotator. Here you just enter the URLs just like this. Then a rotator will be a rotator with only one link containing all of your URLs that you entered here, and then you can promote that link. And what it does is when a visitor clicks on that link, one of these will be displayed depending on the frequency. Alright, simple as that. Now, I forgot to mention a very important fact, that Traffic Splash has a lot of users, so it's a good idea to advertise here. I think that it has more than 190,000 users. All right, and this is the owner, and these other profile pictures here are pictures from other team members, such as marketing genius, social expert, customer care here, and design, of course. Now Traffic Splash obviously has a lot more other features. For example, here you can promote it and earn commissions whenever your referrals purchase something here. Here is the direct link, or you can use these other advertising resources as splash pages, banners here, etc. Okay, simple as that. Of course, it offers a lot of rewards also when you are surfing, but I figured I'm gonna let the surfing page in the end so we can see how it looks when you surf. Alright, so bonus card. The bonus card, it looks like this. So what it does is you just surf and automatically you will land on one of these pages, and you don't have to click anything to claim the price. But if you find all the icons for all the lines together, then you can click to claim, and the total of the number here will be given to you as advertising credits. But if you find the icons to fill only, for example, the first two or the first three, and then click to claim, then you won't receive the total of the first three, but only the one that has the most. For example, here 13 credits. Okay, so if you surf a lot, make sure to wait until you find all the icons here and then claim the total. All right, this is one bonus. And of course, surfer rewards, depending on how many pages you've surfed, you will get a bonus accordingly to these limits. Other commissions from referrals, network, and here is where you can find your referrals, how many do you have, etc. I have none. Like I said, it's been maximum 6 days since I've been using Traffic Splash. Okay, and here are the weekly promos. You can check them out, and these are kind of like create an account here and surf both sides 150 pages, and that you get rewarded, you get this reward. But you have to surf both sides, here and Traffic Splash. Okay, and rewards like this. So here is the home page. You will find all these pages and information, and of course your profile, etc. So let's jump to the surfing page. So this is how the surfing page looks like. It's a 6 timer surfer. Okay, then you choose the icons. Apparently Traffic Splash is related to seafood, sea creatures apparently, so the fish is here. And then time to time you will land on a bonus page. So if you can pay attention more to this side. Now, sorry about that. Oh, there it is, a bonus page. So here are the creators, let's say the management team of Traffic Splash. So you just click on one profile picture, for example here, and you'll win a prize. All right, then you just keep surfing. Now if you notice this ad here on the top right of the screen, this one here, it's called peeled ads. All right, so if you go to my ads, it's where was that? Peel ads, this one here. So you just create an ad here and it will appear in the surfing page just like that. All right, you just put your mouse over here without clicking anything. This will appear, and if you click, of course it will redirect you to the page accordingly to the ad. All right, in this case is Hungry for Hits. Okay, simple as that, guys. Now let me show you some results, sorry, and I'm gonna leave this video with that. So as always, I use leadslead.com to track my traffic. So the link I've been promoting since I started surfing on Traffic Splash, because I had an account long ago. Alright, so it's less than 6 days, guys. So this is the link. Let's see some statistics. Alright, just a second. So there it is. I called it just Splash. So 261 real visitors, and for those who use Leadslead, you know what I'm talking about. And 3 are responses, people that interacted with your page, maybe clicked on the link, maybe signed up, maybe watched the video, something like that. Okay, so I would say it's quite good, right? So like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna test it a little bit more, maybe for another month, and then I'm gonna record and upload another video just to compare the results with this one. Okay, so if you like this site and you want to try it, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video, as well as the link of the playlist where you can find all of my videos for traffic exchange sites. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much, wish you all the best, and see you in the next one. Cheers.